Starting around 31 October 2023, HEX truly is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.17% in kind of most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. HEX explicitly has a kind of all-out market cap of $575,032,938, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $204,201 in a kind of large manner. This truly makes HEX fundamentally positioning at 211 in the digital currency market, which explicitly is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the HEX cost expectation end of 2023, what will HEX commonly be worth in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? Is HEX an excellent speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2023 in a significant manner? Will HEX cost basically outperform its record-breaking high, or so they truly thought? These truly are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future in an unobtrusive manner. HEX value expectation 2023. As per the HEX estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the HEX cost most certainly is supposed to cross in every way that really matters, normal value level of $0.007, the normal in every way that really matters, least value worth of HEX, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to basically be $0.007 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, HEX can basically arrive at a most extreme value level of $0.007, genuinely further appearance, how HEX in a real sense has a complete market cap of $575,032,938, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $204,201, which by and large is genuinely huge. HEX value conjecture August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of HEX basically is generally anticipated to by and large arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $0.006 and an especially least of $0.005. Genuinely further appearance how HEX has a kind of complete market cap of $575,032,938, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $204,201 in a truly significant manner. HEX value estimate September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of HEX especially is really anticipated to in every practical sense arrive at an extremely normal cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $0.006 and in every way that really matters, least of $0.006 in an exceptionally large way. HEX value expectation October 2023. The cost for HEX in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.006 and $0.007 in an unpretentious manner. While the typical exchanging cost ought to especially be around $0.006, or so they by and large thought. HEX value gauge November 2023. The kind of normal cost of HEX could in every practical sense go to $0.007 toward the finish of November 2023 in a huge manner. HEX could explicitly be exchanging around a very most extreme worth of $0.007, with the kind of least expected cost of $0.006, or so they basically thought. HEX value figure December 2023. The HEX cost for December 2023 may especially arrive at a kind of least worth of $0.007, while the sort of most extreme gauge cost by and large is around $0.007. The especially normal cost for HEX explicitly is generally anticipated to basically reach $0.007 in December 2023, which especially shows that HEX value figure December 2023. The HEX cost for December 2023 may arrive at a fundamentally least worth of $0.007, while the essentially most extreme estimated cost essentially is around $0.007, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. HEX past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto basically has been certainly diminished by 0.26% in its by and large current worth in a significant manner. Assuming we generally look at the especially current market cap of the HEX with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap by and large is likewise down in a significant manner. HEX sort of is confronting a genuinely difficult time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The HEX generally is down to nearly 6.37% in the very most recent 7 days in a by and large enormous manner. The coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for truly past by and large couple of days. The coin could have soared areas of strength for of however, we don't explicitly believe that it would a beneficial resource in truly momentary and an unobtrusive manner. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of HEX basically diminished by 95.721%, dispensing with an astounding commonly normal amount of $0.074 from its sort of current worth. So while the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to in every way that really matters be around $0.006 in a significant way. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin really is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a kind of good purchase and open door for genuinely fast venture, which is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change truly is near 86.87%, and the cost especially coursed from an exceptionally least sort of typical cost of $0.024 to especially greatest fundamentally normal cost of $0.027 in the kind of beyond 90 days, exhibiting how HEX value conjecture December 2023. The HEX cost for December 2023 may explicitly arrive at a genuinely least worth of $0.007, while the extremely greatest gauge cost basically is around $0.007, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. HEX for the most part is somewhere near 81.95% with the in every practical sense, greatest certainly normal cost of the coin basically was around $0.023. And the kind of least genuinely normal cost of most certainly was around $0.021 in certainly beyond 4 months in an unpretentious way. HEX value estimate 2023 facts what will really be HEX worth in 2023 in a very significant manner. The HEX cost truly is estimated to arrive at an especially greatest degree of $0.007, with exceptionally least cost of $0.007 toward the finish of 2023. Showing how HEX value conjecture September 2023. For September 2023 the cost of HEX by and large is somewhat anticipated to truly arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of $0.006 and an extremely least of $0.006 in a genuinely significant manner. HEXs really have a future in a very significant manner. As far as cost, HEX most certainly has an extraordinary truly potential to arrive at new levels, as a matter of fact. It generally is conjecture that HEX will increment in esteem, showing how the 90 days cost change especially is near 86.87%, and the cost truly circled from an in every practical sense. Least for the most part normal